I absolutely love this thing because, so I've had several people comment that they wanted to see another video of this mower in action, and I'm going to put it through what I would consider to be some relatively tall grass. Let's check that out. So here we have it. You can see the grass is tall. I've already mowed a strip back there. I mean, we're probably thinking that's probably, I don't know, the St. Augustine looks like it's about 6 inches or so. This mower is amazing. Look, you just grab the handle, press the start button. I'm gonna do this one-handed. That's how light the mower is. I have it set on a low setting. Second to the lowest setting right there. All right, look at this. I'm pushing one-handed. Here, right there where it idles down, and then when it gets into the taller grass, it'll idle up a little bit. I mean, this is easy. Look, one-handed, simple, easy. So I've had a lot of people say that they don't trust these mowers. I don't see why you wouldn't. This thing is freaking ridiculous. We're gonna go through some tall grass right here. You hear that mower idle up? See how tall that is? No problem at all. Of course, we had a lot of rain. Haven't mowed this side right here because the water collects. So this has been about a week and a half. Flawless. If you mow your yard on a regular basis, I would say at least once a week, you shouldn't have any problem. Look at that, right here. Yep, this mower right here is worth every penny. I love this thing. I don't have to worry about putting oil, gas. I can store it upright. This is a Ryobi 40-volt brushless electric mower. It's a 20-inch, non-self-propelled. The thing is super light. I mean, this is one hand right here. You can see I'm picking this up. You can mulch with it. You can do the side chute, which I have right here. On a fully charged battery, I can mow right at about 1/4 of an acre or less. I know that because that's what my backyard is. And it doesn't take that long to charge that battery up. Not to mention, no gas, no oil. You literally take this guy right here, fold it up like this, and that's how I'm storing it, just like that. This thing is worth every single penny. Thanks for watching.